Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can convert a PDF document into a Word document. Now for many people they've been sent a PDF and they've wanted to edit the text but couldn't, so we're going to be converting it into a Word document so that we can edit all sorts of things on it. To begin, we're going to be opening up our Google Chrome browser right here. As you can see, you can either search using the top or the bottom. I'll use the top for now. We're going to be writing PDF to Word documents, and you simply want to press enter. Then it should be the first website right here, pdfsimply.com. We're going to open up the website, and from here all we have to do, I did enter the wrong website. Actually what you want to do is scroll down until you find the Adobe website, convert PDF to Word online for free. Adobe Acrobat is generally the best because it's a trusted source. All the other websites usually have a payment plan, etc., and can lead to bank account details being stolen. So don't trust those. What we're going to do is simply go right here, click the select file. So right up here, we're going to press on select file, and this is it. I'm going to open this PDF for it to load up, and from here it should convert it to a Word document. Your file is ready. Now, all you simply have to do is sign into Adobe Acrobat using your Google account or continue with Adobe account, Apple, Facebook. So I'm going to continue as my account. I'm going to confirm. And as you can see, my file is ready. I've signed in. And it's going to ask me to sign in, I believe. Nope, we're done. So from here, it should bring us to here. And if we go back once again, sorry, don't go back. Do not go back. It's right here. My PC was lagging. So once again, let it load up. As you can see, the file should be right here. So I did just go back, so it did mess up. So we're going to write that once again. I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so as you can see, it is being converted as of right now. I had to redo it because I accidentally went back. And now our file is ready. Back now. All we simply have to do here is download it. So as you can see up here, this is the download button. I'm going to press on download, and now this is a Word document. Now it's opened up here, but it is a Word document. So there you have it. That is how to convert the the PDF to a Word document. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.